Hmm?
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Y'all, I'm trying to record for both things right now, but I just got home. It is 8:34 because we have parent-teacher conferences tonight. So yeah, there's that. I'm about to eat Wendy's and I'm about to clean up. I don't know how much of Vlogmas y'all are going to see today because honestly, I just got here. My shirt is from Target like a couple years ago, and my jeans are like, you can't even see them. Let me pan down. Hold on. Ignore my slippers, but these are my jeans. They're from Fashion Over. They're kind of long. All right, so y'all, tonight, if you see me looking crazy, I just got in the house. It's 8:34 because we have parent-teacher conferences, but I want to show you my outfit of the day. And let me just show you what I have on. I felt like I look cute today. I have on this sweater weather shirt, but I also have on these pants from Fashion Nova. Look like this. Ignore my slippers. Oh, and today was elf day at school, so I have like elf socks on. The same ones I wore the other day, but I washed them. So yeah, there's that. I will talk to you guys later. Hmm?
doesn't matter if the snow is falling